you're wearing your emergency medical technician shirt for us today. How does that work with people, you know, on the tools and in the mines? Have you got? Can anyone get a job doing? You know, can anyone train themselves up, or does it take a particular type of person or a particular, you know, high school level or certificate to get into emergency? Or if I'm driving trucks, can I do something to go down this path and make my job more interesting?
Yeah, sure. Probably the most important qualification, if you want to use that term, is a want, an interest, genuine interest in it. Anybody can become, go down the path of becoming a site rescue person or site advanced first aider or first aider.
Right.
It's really that interest.
Yep.
And once people have that desire to do that, then it's just a matter of them building their skills. So, like I always tell people, you've got to start somewhere, and the more exposure and more experience you can get, the better. Yep. So a lot of people that we've trained over the years have started as exactly that, as truck drivers or maintenance personnel, admin personnel on mine sites.
Really?
Pretty much anybody can do it.
Yep.
If they've got that want, that desire, and they usually will start off doing something like a basic first aid course, which gives them the further interest in it, and then they'll build on their skills from there. So,
right. Okay. So what is the pathway? So if I did my basic first aid, then to be I guess an emergency technician in on a site, what would be the steps? What qualifications should I work towards, or what units training should I work towards?
So I guess there's two things to look at. There's the rescue side of things, and then there's the first aid or medical side of things.
Okay, so there's two streams.
Pretty much, yeah,
Right.
yeah. However, having said that, I've always been of the belief that the more multi-skilled somebody is, the better they're going to be, the more useful they're going to be in an emergency situation.
Right.
Particularly because of the fact that you can train for a scenario 100 times, and the first time you get a real one, it'll be different.
Yep.
So it's all about being able to apply the skills and knowledge that you have. So from a rescue side of things, ultimately the goal that you're aiming for is a Cert 3 in mine rescue, which involves a fairly detailed and fairly in-depth look at some of the more technical aspects of rescue, particularly around road rescue and vertical rescue. So they're probably the two biggest ones. But that doesn't necessarily mean you have to do it all in one go. You can do that progressively, and oftentimes people will do that